We got this cat on the conference call.
Wait, have you seen Stu?
Not right now. All right, we just got our brand new screen today. It has an Android. We're gonna put it together and see how easy it is. Now, out of the box, I'm gonna tell you something incredible. You don't need any tools. It comes with its own tools and the whole setup and a remote control and the power adapter too. So if you guys can see, there's a power button here. You hit the power button. It just came up right now. Now, this is the beautiful part because it's Android based, all right? You can install your wireless device in here. And let's see, there it is. There's the mouse. If you guys can see, here's the mouse, if you guys can see that. Now, if you want, you could do touchscreen volume. You don't have to do this.
And pull back. This is a prep for our back rowing series.
This is kind of huge for it.
All right, as you can see, we have a collar on the other side, right? And it's a full screen. It's coming by 7x20, almost 7x30, all right? And then you have yourself on one end, and this is what they're looking at from my end, right? From that pinpoint camera, you have access to mute yourself, to change it, to turn off the camera, to do all sorts of things. So this is great out of the box. If you conduct meetings, you can do it pretty much anywhere with the rolling. All right, just to demo you guys, we do have a cable on it, all right? And we are going to go to the HDMI to display the actual system. So as you can see, I'm able to manage control from here, my laptop, because of the HDMI connection. All you got to do is disconnect it and connect it. If you guys can see that on the monitor itself. So I'm able to see a live view of me capturing pretty much everything on the actual system. Overall, this is a great system that you can set up your phone, you can set up your laptop directly to it and work functionally. So I use this when I'm doing live streaming. I want to be able to see some of the functions I have on my computer. Or maybe you want to demonstrate some of the stuff. You can use a Type-C or HDMI. I choose HDMI to Type-C. It's much faster, better quality of it. If you want HDMI to HDMI, you can do that too. It's also compatible. If you're looking for a great Droid base tablet that's large enough for all your functions, it has plenty of battery. It's going to last you all day. Hope you guys enjoyed this video.